Levi with Zion Off-Road. We just took a look at some of our camping trailers, but we also have this utility trailer that's fairly new. So it's a whole different camping style. If mountain bikes or dirt bikes or a four-wheeler or something of that nature is really important to you, and that's why we designed this trailer, but it's still fully modular. So it's built on the exact same frame as our other trailers. So fender, still upgradable. Suspension, still upgradable. You know, front step, rear step, safari steps, all that stuff because the frames are identical. But now we have these walls that you can add things onto. So from hole to hole, this mounted or this size is the same as this, which is the same as this, which is the same as the 3 up front. So you can mix and match, put a jerry can up front, put a jerry can on the back, put it on, mount something to the inside or the outside. So it's super customizable in how you know, the accessories that you add. We have adjustable height crossbars. So you can see on this one right here, I've got one set at a lower setting, so I could stack and layer accessories if I wanted to, or if you have, you know, a paddle board that you want to store right underneath your tent, or some kayaks or something like that, you can make a little multi-level storage right here. We also have different height posts, so we can use our short posts, which come to about here, to get the rooftop tent a lot lower. If you're not necessarily carrying any bikes or anything huge, you can still put your gear underneath. But that's what it is, a utility trailer. So, you know, it's designed to be as you can take out during the week if you need to, you know, swap out your dishwasher brakes or something, you need to get something new. It's designed to fit a full sheet of plywood, a 4x8 sheet of plywood, and that was kind of what the trailer was designed around, is so that you can use it as a utility trailer during the week, and then on the weekends you have a fully capable off-roading rig. Every trailer comes pre-wired and has included the bed lights, and they're all on a switch, so we can toggle the bed lights. On all 4 corners of the trailer we have auxiliary plugs. On this trailer here, I've got a light right here as well as a light bar, so a little side light. So I can show you that if you want to come on this side. So I can toggle those on the switch, same as the light bar that's up inside as well. And then the third switch is for rock lights. If you got the rock lights accessory, you can switch them on right there. This is an example of a prototype part that we're just kind of on the tail end of releasing. So just a storage box. It also can be mounted anywhere. You can mount it here, you can mount it over there, you can mount it on our camper trailers. Very versatile with all the accessories that we have. We made it so it can be put in as many different places as we possibly can. So if you wanted more information on this or any of our trailers at all, you can go to zionoffroad.com, so ZIONOFFROAD.com. You can email me at sales@zionoffroad.com, or you can give us a phone call, and phone numbers on the website. You can go to our website, use our online trailer builder, and build this out however you want and get an estimate, and yeah, we'll just kind of go from there.